In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created a YouTube channel, a Facebook Reel page, a TikTok Reel page using artificial intelligence. And also how some of these channels over here, this is a channel that started a week and a half ago, and they are already earning between $30 and $106 per month. Now, I'm showing you a small channel like this just to show you a more realistic target and where this will be in the beginning. And this is another channel over here that has scaled to this over time in the last couple of months, anywhere between $1,300 and $4,500 a month. Creating and running their YouTube channel and all of their videos processed through an artificial intelligence. Plus, this is just YouTube ad revenue. Never mind what you can make off affiliate commissions through links in the descriptions of your videos, merchandise, mentorships, and many other ways that you can monetize your YouTube channel without having to have ad revenue activated on your channel. If you're into the fitness niche, you can use ChatGPT to create an audience through Faceless AI content and sell your fitness programs through the descriptions and in the links of the videos that this AI is creating for you. Step 1 in starting your YouTube artificial intelligence YouTube channel is to have a basis where you can have many content ideas that will last long term. Because YouTube is a game where you need to constantly come up with new ideas. So I've come up with a tool for you guys where you can go and get unlimited content ideas for your YouTube channel in your niche. Simply come over to a website called answertherepublic.com. You can also go and search them on Google. It's the first link in the Google search tab over here. And you want to go and search up a question, a topic, a brand, or a product in the specific box over here. Make sure you've selected. I'm going to select United States. And you want to go and search any topic or product or idea around your niche. So for example, if you are into health and fitness, you can go and search over here on this tab, weight loss. Go and click on search. If you're into teaching, if you're into how-to videos, you can go and search whatever query, question, or relative vague topic into this tool, and it will then create a wheel for you that looks like this. Over here, it's got a 10 section wheel, which produces the following questions around your topic that you've searched that people are asking on the internet. For example, when weight loss stalls, when is the weight loss plateau, when is weight loss a concern, when is weight loss recommended, when can weight loss become dangerous, what if weight loss surgery fails, when is weight loss noticeable? We've got what, will, can, how, who, which, why, are, and where. And these are all questions that people are asking around the world. Questions into Google that are relative to your topic that you've entered into answertherepublic.com. So if you think to yourself, these are questions that people are asking, why not provide them a solution? And you can monetize that solution through the help of YouTube, short video platforms, reaching this audience and selling them an affiliate product. Because remember, people are always looking for solutions. If people can solve a problem, they will be willing to pay for that. A great alternative to answertherepublic.com is a Google Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. If you open up YouTube, TubeBuddy will look like this. It's completely free to add to your dashboard on YouTube. You can go and click on Keyword Explorer and just go and search in the keyword section your niche. For example, weight loss. Click on Explore, and over here it will give you an overall score, analysis, and relative search terms that you can go and search that people are searching in your niche. So for example, weight loss exercises at home. And you can view over here that the current overall score is good at nearly 50 out of 100. There's a lot of search volume. The competition is low, meaning a lot of people are searching for this content, but there's not a lot of people making content for those searches. So this would be a good keyword to use, is weight loss exercises at home. Or you can even specify even more, weight loss exercises at home for women. Let's take a look at the overall score. Currently fair, the search volume is medium and the competition is medium, so we could find something better. Let's go weight loss for, we can use any of these keywords over here. Weight loss, let's use for women over 50. Let's take a look at the overall score. As you can see over here, this would be a good topic to use in your video because There's a big search volume for it, there's very low competition, and the overall score for this keyword is very good. So this is also a great idea to go and get keyword ideas for the videos that your artificial intelligence tool is going to make for you. Then all you need to go and do is copy your keyword that has a good score, literally right click, copy, and we can then come over to the brand new ChatGPT-4, which is OpenAI's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. Click on Try ChatGPT Plus over here, and it will take you to ChatGPT-4. All you need to do is paste that same keyword that you've gotten from TubeBuddy, weight loss for women over 50, click on Send to ChatGPT. It will give you an entire article, step-by-step process on how you can lose weight as a woman over 50. And then the step number 3 of this video is going to be turning this text that takes some people hours and even days to write out and to make their content. ChatGPT is now created in a couple of seconds. All you need to go and do is copy and paste this text that ChatGPT has created for you, your script for your video, and use the second AI tool that I'm about to show you to turn this text into a video. Step number 3 is to come over to a website called Nvidiaio, which is another artificial intelligence tool that can turn text into done-for-you short video content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and all the platforms that you know of. Click on the text-to-video option over here once you've signed up your free Nvidiaio account, and it will give you a whole bunch of quality templates that you can select from to turn the text and the script that ChatGPT has created for you into a done-for-you TikTok. Since our short video is all about weight loss and health, we want to find a video template that is around that niche. So for example, someone running, someone doing fitness, like this one over here, motivational exercise video. Make sure you select the portrait mode over here, click on use template, and it will load up your script, which all you do is copy and paste from ChatGPT. Click on generate scenes, and in a couple of seconds, it will turn all of this text into a done-for-you short video with the script that you have just pasted into Nvidiaio. And take a look at this. It has created each and every scene for you. The only thing that this artificial intelligence tool really lacks is the images that it selects for you. But what you can do is you can click on images on the left-hand side over here. Under add images, you can just go and search weight loss and just replace these images. This is definitely one thing they can improve on the AI. But that's okay. It still does the job for us. We just need to replace the images. So we can drag on our media and just replace it with, for example, a health sandwich. The scene number 2, we can replace with a weight loss picture over here. Just replace just like that. For scene number 3, we can add, for example, the picture of the apples in the water over here. For scene number 4, you just want to keep adding weight loss pictures, so it kind of just flows with the topic that you're talking about in your video. So you can also then copy this weight loss picture over here and just replace it with this tree. Just drag it onto the media layer and it will automatically replace for you. Here's another weight loss photo. You can just drag it on and it will replace for you. Scroll down, we can use this person here who's eating a healthy meal, it looks like, or yogurt. And we can copy this weight loss image over here for the last and final scene, which then our video is complete. You can also add an automatic voiceover to your story and your video. Click on voiceover again, click on automated text to speech, and click on generate voiceover, and it will automatically generate you an entire voiceover for this TikTok that you've made. You can then click on add automated voiceover for all scenes, click on add, and as you can see and take a look at this, voiceover has now been added. Just make sure to mute the song, otherwise it's going to be very loud. Once this is complete, you can click on export on the top right hand side. It will then export and download to your PC. You can click on 720p or 1080p, click on export, and you can then export this video to your PC, upload that to TikTok, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. But the second part of this entire video is nailing and getting your branding right. So make sure to keep watching because I'm going to explain and expose really easy branding secrets that retain a lot of audience and a lot of people to trust your brand. Once this video is downloaded to your PC, come over to Google and go and search business name generator. Click on enter. Click on namelicks.com. And you want to go and enter the keyword weight loss. Click on generate. Click on auto styles, all styles. Click on next. Generation randomness. Click on medium, balanced, but more creative results. Click on generate, and you can click on generate again. And in a couple of seconds, it will load up a whole bunch of brand name ideas, logos, even some of them might have website links that you can create. So for example, fitbites.com, Health Harvest, Nourish Nation, FitFlow. FitFlow is quite a nice one, so we can choose this example over here. You can click on this image, you can click screenshot on your PC keyboard, or just use a free screenshot tool on Windows or PC, or you can use a free screenshot tool downloaded from Google. You can then crop out this picture using Paint on Windows. So I'm just going to save this to my PC, and you have a done for you logo, a done for you business name called FitFlow, and you want to go and create an Instagram page or a Facebook page and a TikTok page with name, FitFlow, and this as your logo. And all you're going to go and do is post this TikTok that this AI has created for you on all 3 platforms. And in the description of that video, you want to go and get and paste the following link. Come over to clickbank.com, which is the #1 affiliate marketplace for affiliate marketers around the world. You can click on login or create your own new account. Click on health and fitness. Under the health and fitness subcategory, click on diets and weight loss. Under diets and weight loss, one of my favorite products to go and promote is the Smoothie Diet 21-day rapid weight loss program. You can go and click on promote, click on generate hop link, and it will create you your unique affiliate link. And every time someone clicks on this link and purchases this product through your link, you're going to get a conversion and a sale rate of $28.86. But just take note of this. If I paste my affiliate link into a new tab, I want you to note how the entire website is done for you. The creators of this product have created a done for you webinar, results of people that have actually lost weight for this tool, more insights into what is into the 21-day program, and a lot more information on this product. And also take note how specifically with the affiliate link that ClickBank has made you, take a look at the Google URL over here. You can see it's actually connected to my affiliate link. So every time someone purchases this, I get my commission. So you can then go and copy this affiliate link that you've just created, and you can go and paste this in the description or in the comment section of your TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and you want to go and post at least once a day for the next 30 days. I want to show you a good example of a channel that is doing this at the moment. If I come over to YouTube and I go and search Body Hub, this is a great example of a YouTube channel who's doing this and just creating AI videos through computer generated and AI tools like I just showed you. And they're basically giving different exercises, superfoods that promote hyperfocus, the best teas that block fat and prevent weight gain, 20 rich foods in protein if you're broke. So general topics on weight loss, healthy foods to eat, and they've really grown nicely. And they get anywhere between 10 and 100,000 views, plus minus per video. Some of them blow up to even more. So this is another good example of a channel doing this, and this is basically what you're going to be doing, except you're going to be replicating this on TikTok, YouTube Shorts as well, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels, and get 4 times the amount of exposure that you would on YouTube on all of the other short video platforms that exist. If you guys want to learn how to master the production and capturing the attention of an audience through short video content, what I recommend you do is click on this playlist on the screen over here. I've created an entire course on YouTube completely for free. For those of you that don't know, I'm a full-time prop firm trader off of YouTube, so most of my content I post on YouTube for free. So this playlist over here consists of about 40 videos on how to make money on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and short video platforms, and how to blow up on those platforms. And I also show a couple of examples of pages that I've created on those platforms and how they've taken off. So what I recommend you do is click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.